Hi there! Today I want to show you how to insert envelope liners correctly. This is super easy and simple and just need to follow a couple of steps. First of all, you need to be sure that you have the correct envelope liner. Not all envelopes flaps are the same, so you need to be sure that you have the one that matches your envelope. Then you're going to insert the liner inside of the envelope, but not all the way through. What you will do instead is to align the liner to the flap of the envelope, avoiding to cover the gum area. If you insert the liner all the way through, you will see like a gap between the liner and the gum area, and that doesn't look good. So align it to the top and then you fold it very carefully. Then you will open the envelope, leaving the liner folded, and then you will apply your double-side tape. It is very important to remember that you need to use an acid-free tape. And that's it. Doing it this way will make sure that your envelope opens and closes easily. Let's do it again just to be sure that you are following all the steps. Number 1, insert your liner in the envelope. Number 2, align on the flap. Then number 3, fold the envelope with the liner inside. Number 4, open the envelope, leaving the liner folded. Number 5, apply your double-side tape and close the envelope to glue, and that's it. Perfect envelope liner every time. If you saw my previous video, you would notice that this is a church that I painted with watercolors. I digitized it and then I printed into these liners to make this beautiful custom invitation. This was a very cute detail for these invitations, and well, just wanted to tell you about that. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe for more.